Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming Ryujinx is up to date and drivers are installed. This prevents hidden compatibility issues. Once done, power on your Switch Pro or Joy-Con and set Bluetooth pairing mode or connect via USB for simpler detection. Make sure Windows recognizes the device before proceeding. Open Ryujinx and navigate to Options, then Settings, and finally Input. This places you exactly where controller mappings are set, so you can quickly assign inputs and avoid wasted steps later. Now you map controls. Choose Pro Controller or Joy-Con pair to match how Ryujinx reads the device. You then pick X input for standard layouts or direct input if you use third-party drivers. This choice affects button mapping and rumble support. Manually assign each button and both stick axes and test triggers while adjusting dead zones so analogs read smoothly. Once mapped, save the profile, assign it to the correct player slot, and use the input tester to confirm every control registers reliably. Finish by launching a game and confirming control behavior in actual gameplay. This reveals context-sensitive differences you may need to rebind. Make sure optional features like rumble or gyro are toggled per your hardware. Rumble can add latency on Bluetooth, so disable it if you notice lag. If the controller does not respond, first restart Ryujinx and reconnect the device. Then switch between X input and direct input, because changing driver mode often resolves mismatched mappings and detection errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.